Last Thursday, a group of 253 Indians, including crew members, arrived in Jamaica at the Norman Manley Airport on a chartered flight. On Sunday, a reporter from Television Jamaica made a blundered report on Radio Jamaica's 6 p.m. news and then on the sister station Television Jamaica at 7 p.m. In his report, he claimed possible human smuggling, stating that a passenger from Uzbekistan was of national interest to security and government officials in the United States. He also said another citizen of Uzbekistan, who had arrived on a previous flight and initially landed, later had his landing revoked and was detained when authorities started investigating the Indian charter flight. He even mentioned that the authorities at the airport didn't know the plane was coming because a passenger manifest wasn't sent ahead of its arrival, as required. I mean, a whole lot of misinformation. However, on Monday afternoon, the nation got an explanation from the authorities as to what happened. And I know this will not sound plausible enough to conspiracy theorists. It was indeed a chartered flight to Jamaica with 253 passengers on board, including crew. Here is the problem. 2 of the passengers were not on the manifest. In other words, the airline had 2 persons aboard who they had not declared on the manifest. So, with respect to the other 251 passengers, there were no issues. So, of course, they made a reservation at a hotel in Kingston before coming to Jamaica, and they were allowed to go there, because that is the destination for the passengers. They were supposed to stay there for 8 days. My concern is, why did the Jamaican authorities take so long to explain to the public what really happened? Because the blundered report from the journalist fueled speculations on social media platforms, so they should have immediately addressed it, and that action in itself is suspicious to a lot of people. You should never give space for rumors, especially in this digital age where misinformation travels faster than facts. And the media have a duty to ensure that they do checks before making blundering reports. That reporter needs to apologize to the Indian tourists. The Indians were tourists who visited Jamaica on a chartered flight, which means they are wealthy people who can afford such luxury. And yes, they were seen downtown shopping and sightseeing, because that's what they came to Jamaica to do. To you, Mr. Reporter, there was a significant breakdown in communication and reporting in this situation. The initial misinformation spread by you created unnecessary confusion and speculation, which could have been avoided with proper fact-checking and verification of sources. The delay in providing a clarification from the authorities only exacerbated the issue, allowing rumors to flourish on social media platforms. The incident underscores the importance of responsible journalism and timely communication from authorities, especially in situations involving sensitive matters like national security and immigration. Misinformation can have serious consequences, including damaging the reputation of individuals and causing unnecessary panic among the public. And also, sir, issuing apologies and corrections when mistakes are made is essential to maintain trust and credibility with the public. Kiss me teeth.